We are installing this garbage disposal flange. It's a Quicklock sink mount. Let's first make sure everything is clean. Then add silicone to the sink flange. Carefully place it down. Start with the fiber gasket, then backup flange, followed by the mounting ring with screws, at last the snap ring. Tighten the screws evenly. They will press against the backup flange and the snap ring to secure the flange in place and make it watertight. If snap ring starts to come out while tightening the screws, just push it back in with a screwdriver. Finish by removing the excess silicone, and to install the disposal, align it to the mounting ring. Then a quarter turn will secure it and will allow disposal to spin, and we are done.